81% of India's 71 million construction workers don't have the skills to use modern technology. But here's what's really crazy. Even companies with skilled workers are failing to adopt new tech. Cement prices jumped from 350 to 460 rupees per bag. Steel costs rose by 20,000 rupees per ton. And project delays are now over 36 months in major cities. Yet, the solution is right in front of us. And most people are missing it completely. A successful builder in Mumbai spent 2 crores on new digital tools, only to abandon them after 6 months. The software worked perfectly, the hardware ran smoothly, but the project still failed. What went wrong wasn't the technology, it was fear. Fear drives most technology failures in Indian construction, not the technology itself. This creates a strange contradiction that affects thousands of companies across India. Construction owners know that new tech can reduce costs, speed up work, and improve quality. They read success stories from other countries. They attend conferences where experts show amazing results. Yet, still they resist making the change. Three main fears control their decisions. First is the fear of upfront costs when profit margins are already razor thin. A small precast company might earn only 8% profit on each project. Spending 50 lakhs on new software feels impossible when every rupee counts. Second is the fear that workers will resist new methods and create more problems. Third is the fear of making expensive mistakes that could destroy businesses. These fears grow stronger when market conditions get worse. In Surat, project approvals fell by 23% as builders became more cautious about trying new methods. When cement prices jump 110 rupees per bag in 3 months, owners panic and avoid any additional risks. Steel price increases of 15,000 rupees per ton make them even more careful about spending money on technology. A cultural planning approach in India makes this problem even worse. Most Indian construction projects start with basic drawings and add details as work progresses. This flexible method has worked for decades, but it makes modern BIM software very difficult to use. BIM needs complete plans from the beginning, which goes against traditional Indian planning methods. This fear creates a dangerous cycle that traps companies. Avoiding technology leads to more delays and higher costs. Manual planning causes coordination problems between teams. Poor communication creates rework and material waste. Quality control becomes harder without digital tracking systems. A shocking truth is that fear costs more than the technology itself. Projects without modern tech face 80% budget overruns on average. A 10 crore project becomes 18 crore. The money saved by avoiding technology gets lost in delays, mistakes, and waste. But some Indian companies have broken this fear cycle and found a different path. The Chenab project used digital tools to complete the world's highest railway bridge on time in India, not Singapore or USA. This 1,315-meter bridge stands 359 meters above Chenab River in Jammu and Kashmir. The project team finished construction within the planned timeline using advanced BIM software and digital coordination systems. Technology adoption can work perfectly in Indian conditions when companies use the right approach. The difference between success and failure isn't technology itself, it's how companies implement these tools. Failed projects try to change everything at once. Successful projects start small and grow step by step. The Chenab Bridge team used BIM software to coordinate complex engineering work in extremely difficult mountain terrain. Digital planning helped engineers solve problems with wind speeds of over 260 kilometers per hour and temperature dropping to minus 20 degrees Celsius. The software allowed different teams to work together smoothly even when they were hundreds of kilometers apart. Traditional paper based planning would have created massive coordination problems in such challenging conditions. The Dwarka Motorway project shows another success story. Digital tools help coordinate work between multiple contractors and reduce delays by 40%. Real time progress tracking prevented the usual communication gaps that caused rework. Material planning became more accurate, reducing waste by 25%. Recent data shows that 54% of Indian construction companies now use AI and machine learning tools. These companies report 50% fewer safety incidents compared to companies using only traditional methods. Digital safety monitoring catches problems before accidents happen. Automated progress tracking helps project managers spot delays early and fix them quickly. Other countries have proven that government support accelerates adoption. The UK government requires BIM for all public projects over £5 million. Project delivery time improved by 20% within 2 years. Singapore made similar rules for government construction and saw even better results. Developers there complete projects 15% faster on average. Successful companies across different countries follow a specific pattern in their technology adoption. They don't announce big countrywide changes or spend huge amounts of money immediately. Instead, they test new tools on small projects first. This approach reduces risk and builds confidence among workers and managers. The pattern always starts with pilot projects, not massive rollouts. Small companies choose one simple digital tool and test it on one small project. They train a small team properly and measure clear results. Only after proving success do they expand to bigger projects and more advanced tools. The question becomes how to apply this proven pilot approach to your own precast operations. A precast factory owner in Pune increased production by 30% by using one simple digital tool, BIM software for component planning. He didn't buy expensive machines or hire new engineers. He simply changed how his team planned each precast element before production started. Here's a practical roadmap for escaping the innovation trap in precast operations. Most companies fail because they try to implement everything at once. They buy multiple software packages, train everyone simultaneously, and expect immediate results across all projects. This approach creates chaos and resistance from workers who feel overwhelmed. Successful adoption requires a completely different strategy with 4 clear steps. Step 1 focuses on BIM for precast component planning. Choose one ongoing project and use BIM software to plan just the precast elements. This shows quick return on investment because better planning reduces material waste and rework. Your team sees immediate benefits without major disruption to your existing workflows. The Pune factory owner started with beam and column planning for one residential project. Within 3 months, his material waste dropped by 18%. Step 2 invests in upskilling frontline workers and supervisors. Send 5 key people for proper training on new tools. Don't rush this process or skip proper education. Workers need time to feel comfortable with digital systems. Fear disappears when people understand how technology makes their jobs easier, not harder. Step 3 builds partnerships with local engineering colleges and technology providers. These relationships give you access to skilled graduates who already know the modern software. Technology companies provide ongoing support when problems arise. Educational institutions help train your existing workers through short courses and workshops. Step 4 creates clear governance and staged investment planning. Set specific measurable outcomes for each technology before buying it. Link every software purchase to clear goals like reducing design time by 20% or cutting material waste by 15%. Plan investments over 12 to 18 months instead of spending everything immediately. This approach directly addresses the skill gap affecting 81% of construction workers. Instead of expecting untrained workers to adapt quickly, you build skills gradually while proving the technology works. Companies following this 4 step approach see measurable results within 6 months instead of waiting for years for returns. They avoid common mistakes of buying expensive software that sits unused because nobody knows how to operate it properly. The innovation trap exists only when you try to change everything at once instead of building success step by step through careful planning and gradual implementation. The innovation trap isn't about technology failing, it's about fear winning over planning and proof. Every successful company started exactly where you are now. They faced the same cost pressures, workers' resistance, and market uncertainty. The difference was their approach. Choose one small pilot project this month to test BIM or AI tools in your precast operations. Start with components planning for a single building, train 5 people properly, measure clear results like material waste or faster design time. You now have the roadmap that successful companies use. The only question is when you will start.